This is replacing the cabin air filter in my 2013 Toyota Prius. Open up the glove box, and then on the side there's this little plunger that allows it to soft open. Go ahead and just push that guy back in after you just pull it straight off of that stud. Just lift up towards you and down, and it comes out. There is a piece, a little clip on the right hand side. Pull that out, and you have your cabin air filter. You can pull this out. Oh boy. And as suspected, there is a mouse nest in there. Let's go in a little deeper. You can see they've made a nice big nest in there. So we're gonna suck that out with the vacuum and put in a new filter. Reverse the process, put everything back together.